Turn nature's bounty into profitable home decor. Ever thought about how you can transform driftwood into stunning home decorations? Join me as we explore creative techniques to craft beautiful pieces that not only enhance your space but can also boost your business. Create unique driftwood decor that sells. Looking for a way to stand out in the home decor market? Discover how to turn driftwood into eye-catching decorations that will captivate your customers and elevate your brand. From shore to store, crafting driftwood decor for profit. Join me on a journey from beachcomber to business owner. Learn how to create beautiful driftwood crafts that not only beautify homes but also generate income. Let's get started. Unlock the secrets to selling driftwood crafts. Ready to make a splash in the home decor market? I'll show you how to transform simple driftwood into stunning pieces that are perfect for selling. Let's dive into the world of creativity and commerce. Crafting driftwood decor, a blend of art and entrepreneurship. Want to turn your passion for crafting into a thriving business? Join me as we create beautiful driftwood home decor that can attract customers and bring warmth to any space. Elevate your business with handmade driftwood decor. Looking for unique home decor ideas that will set your business apart? Discover how to create stunning driftwood crafts that will not only enhance any home but also appeal to your target market. Sustainably sourced, create driftwood decor that sells. Join me as we tap into sustainable art with driftwood crafts. Learn how to create appealing home decorations that resonate with eco-conscious consumers and boost your business. How to make driftwood crafts for home decoration. Welcome to the world of driftwood crafts, where nature meets creativity. In today's session, we'll explore how to transform simple pieces of driftwood into stunning home decorations that not only beautify living spaces but also serve as profitable products for your business. Driftwood is more than just a natural material. It carries the charm of the ocean and the stories of its journey. By harnessing its unique textures and shapes, you can create one-of-a-kind decor items that resonate with customers looking for something special. Whether you're aiming to sell at local markets, online platforms, or in boutiques, these crafts can help you stand out in the competitive home decor market. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of crafting beautiful driftwood pieces, from wall art and centerpieces to functional decor items. I'll share tips on design, pricing, and marketing your creations effectively. Let's get started on turning your passion for driftwood into a thriving business. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make driftwood crafts for home decoration, focusing on starting a business. Step 1. Gather materials. Driftwood. Collect various shapes and sizes. Look for pieces with interesting textures and colors. Tools. Basic tools like a saw, sandpaper, a drill, and wood glue. Decorative supplies. Paint, varnish, twine, or other embellishments to enhance your designs. Step 2. Design your crafts. Sketch ideas. Plan your designs. Consider items like wall art, centerpieces, candle holders, or functional decor. Consider trends. Research current home decor trends to inspire your designs and ensure they appeal to potential customers. Step 3. Prepare the driftwood. Cleaning. Wash the driftwood to remove dirt and salt. Let it dry completely. Sanding. Smooth rough edges with sandpaper to make handling safe and enhance the aesthetic. Step 4. Create your crafts. Wall art. Arrange pieces in a visually appealing way and secure them with glue or nails. Add paint or stains for color, or leave it natural for a rustic look. Centerpieces. Combine driftwood with other materials like glass or metal. Create unique arrangements that can hold candles or flowers. Functional decor. Make items like coat hooks, shelves, or key holders by attaching hooks or brackets to driftwood pieces. Step 5. Finishing touches. Sealing. Apply a protective finish like varnish or sealant to enhance durability, especially for outdoor items. Personalization. Consider adding customizable elements, like names or dates, for a personal touch. Step 6. Pricing your products. Cost analysis. Calculate the costs of materials, tools, and your time. Market research. Check similar products to determine competitive pricing. Ensure your prices reflect the quality and uniqueness of your crafts. Step 7. Marketing your crafts. Online presence. Create a website or use platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest to showcase your work. Social media. Share behind-the-scenes processes, finished products, and customer testimonials to engage your audience. Local markets. Participate in craft fairs, farmers markets, or local shops to reach potential customers directly. Step 8. Build customer relationships. Engagement. Respond to inquiries and encourage feedback. Build a community around your brand. Mailing list. Consider creating a newsletter to keep customers updated on new products and promotions. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can create beautiful driftwood crafts that not only enhance home decor but also turn your passion into a thriving business. Embrace your creativity, stay adaptable, and enjoy the process of bringing nature's beauty into homes. Absolutely. Here's a more detailed guide with additional tips and insights for making driftwood crafts for home decoration and growing your business. Step 9. Diversify your product line. Explore different items. In addition to wall art and centerpieces, consider other products like photo frames. Use driftwood to create rustic frames for photos. Mirrors. Frame mirrors with driftwood for a unique look. Seasonal decor. Create themed items for holidays such as driftwood Christmas trees or Halloween decorations. Step 10. Sustainable sourcing. Ethical collection. Ensure you're collecting driftwood sustainably. Avoid areas where it could harm the environment or local ecosystems. Local partnerships. Consider collaborating with local businesses or artisans who also focus on sustainable practices. Step 11. Enhance your crafting skills. Workshops and classes. Take local classes or online courses to improve your crafting techniques and learn new skills. Join crafting communities. Participate in online forums or social media groups dedicated to driftwood crafts or home decor. This can provide inspiration and valuable tips. Step 12. Use high-quality materials. Finishing products. Invest in quality paints, stains, and sealants. High-quality finishes can enhance the durability and appearance of your crafts. Hardware. If using hooks or other attachments, choose sturdy, well-made materials to ensure longevity. Step 13. Create a brand identity. Logo and branding. Develop a distinctive logo and brand aesthetic that reflects your style and the essence of your driftwood crafts. Storytelling. Share the story behind your crafts, where you source your driftwood, your creative process, and what inspires you. This connection can resonate with customers. Step 14. Optimize your online store. High-quality photos. Use good lighting and multiple angles to showcase your products. Consider lifestyle shots that show the items in a home setting. SEO strategy. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions to improve visibility on search engines and marketplaces. Customer reviews. Encourage buyers to leave reviews and showcase these on your site. Positive feedback builds trust and can influence purchasing decisions. Step 15. Networking and collaboration. Connect with other creatives. Collaborate with other artists or businesses to expand your reach. Joint promotions or product bundles can attract new customers. Attend craft shows. Participate in local craft fairs or expos to showcase your work and meet potential customers face-to-face. Step 16. Continuous improvement. Feedback loop. Regularly seek feedback from customers to understand what they love and what could be improved. Adapt and innovate. Stay updated on trends in home decor and continuously adapt your product line to meet changing consumer preferences. Step 17. Financial management. Budgeting. Keep track of your expenses and sales to ensure profitability. Use accounting tools or software to manage your finances effectively. Reinvestment. Consider reinvesting a portion of your profits into new materials, tools, or marketing efforts to grow your business. Creating driftwood crafts for home decoration is not only a fulfilling artistic endeavor but also a viable business opportunity. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and customer engagement, you can build a brand that resonates with consumers seeking unique and eco-friendly home decor. Embrace your creativity, stay committed to your vision, and watch your passion transform into a successful venture. As we wrap up our exploration of crafting driftwood home decorations for business, remember that every piece you create is more than just an item, it's a story waiting to be told. By harnessing the natural beauty of driftwood, you have the unique opportunity to offer customers not only beautiful decor but also a connection to nature and sustainability. Embrace your creativity, and don't be afraid to experiment with new designs and techniques. The journey of building your driftwood craft business will have its challenges, but with passion and perseverance, you can transform your vision into reality. Stay engaged with your audience, continuously seek feedback, and adapt to the ever-changing market trends. By building a strong brand identity and maintaining high-quality craftsmanship, you can cultivate a loyal customer base that appreciates the beauty and effort behind your creations. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Now, it's time to gather your materials, let your imagination flow, and start crafting those stunning driftwood pieces that will inspire and delight. Here's to your success in turning your passion into a thriving business.